Hey, Jim Peak here, and I just had to share something with you that I just found so cool. I'm here right now in Gamma.app, which is a fantastic program for making presentations that really rock. And I made this presentation that was about using AI, and it had kind of a mythic theme, we're like heroes on a journey. And this very last image here, I thought was really cool, but I've had this motif going on in this particular course where I use an owl as a symbol for a framework that I teach. And I use Midjourney to create these images out of felt art. And I thought, why don't I replace this pretty cool looking image with an image of an owl being a knight holding a sword aloft in this felt art theme? So I went back to Midjourney, and these are some of the images that I've had in the past for this course. And I don't know about you, but I find it so adorable and so fun that there's this whole new artistic medium for us to use and play with. And I went to this and I uploaded that image as a sample image, an image prompt, the more photorealistic image with the knight. And I said, use this image as an inspiration. I said, we need felt art, owl as a knight with a sword held overhead, background like this image prompt example. And these are some of the results that I got. And I just thought it was so fun and so interesting. And the thing that really impressed me was they made these cute felt art owls, but look at the lights in the background that were from this image here. It was just a streaming kind of AI looking light and sort of electric sky, stormy sky, beautiful, interesting. They took that and turned it into like yarn or felt. My favorite image is this one here, where it just looks like fuzzy yarn and felt in the background, making those light beams, and then that storm in the background. Isn't that so cool? I encourage you to try Midjourney and try some fun prompts. I have a bonus handout called 17 Creative Prompts for Midjourney, and you get it when you sign up for my webinar. So join me, click the link below, and come to my next webinar on October 7th so that you too can learn how to have fun with AI, but also learn how you can use it to become more organized and feel more productive than ever before. This is just the fun stuff. This is the tip of the iceberg. From here, it just gets even better, where we learn about automations and using agents to save so much of your time. So not only can you have fun making cool images like this, but also you can make more time for yourself to have even more fun making super creative things, or maybe just get some more time so you can spend time with your family, go outdoors and play and enjoy whatever it is. Get the life that you really find most fulfilling by learning how to use AI as your partner. So again, click that link below, join the webinar, and I will send you my 17 creative prompts for Midjourney. And in addition, we'll learn about how to use AI in a super powerful way. See you soon.